that includes modification and approximates particular property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Property location and mentions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserved prior to entering prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various theme plans and building policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Sales check link in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem